one knows now.
Salta y salta, jump and jump. Oso azul,
Blue bear,
da la vuelta.
turn around.
Toca tu boquita,
Touch your mouth now.
salta y salta, jump and jump. It's time to learn, a la hora de aprender, la hora de aprender. It's time to learn. Siéntate niñito, sit down little boy. Siéntate niñita, sit down little girl. Tablero,
Chalkboard,
tiza,
chalk,
lápiz,
pencil,
pluma,
pen,
ventana,
window,
puerta,
door,
maestra,
teacher,
piso.
floor.
Lunes, Monday, martes,
Tuesday,
miércoles,
Wednesday,
jueves, Thursday, viernes,
Friday,
sábado, Saturday, domingo,
Sunday, the days of the week.
Monday, lunes,
Tuesday,
martes,
Wednesday,
miércoles, Thursday, jueves,
Friday,
viernes,
Saturday,
sábado,
Sunday.
domingo, the days of the week.
Circle is,
Círculo,
circle is,
círculo,
rectangle is,
rectángulo,
rectangle is,
rectángulo,
square is,
cuadrado,
square is,
cuadrado,
triangle is,
triángulo,
triangle is,